IXN text integration with ApplicInt's ExpressComplete allows agents to go from running quotes to submitting applications to the carriers through one process. This service is free to use. There is some setup involved to start using this integration. Once set up, this integration can be used in the Agency Life Quoter and mobile app. Here's an example of the ApplicInt integration in action in the Agency Life Quoter. I've run a quote in the Agency Life Quoter and I'm now in the quote results. If I click for more details on a carrier with ExpressComplete, additional menu items will appear and there you see our ApplicInt integration. You will be asked to enter some preliminary information required for the submission. Once complete, click the Submit button. A request is then sent to ApplicInt to start a new ticket with the provided information. If the request is successful, you will arrive at an ExpressComplete login screen. Agents will need to be registered in ApplicInt's system to sign in and complete the application. Here also is an example of the integration on the mobile app. You start off pretty much the same as the Agency Life Quoter, being taken to a form where you fill out some of the client's information, and then once you hit submit, you will either see that same login screen, or with coordinating with your agency, they can set up to bypass that login screen and go straight into the application in ApplicInt system with that client information you entered already pre-filled, as well as the quote, and then you just have to finish up the last few questions of that application and submit it, and it'll be going through in ApplicInt's system.